Hey guys, welcome back. The title of this video is going to be "The time to buy AI stocks is when there's blood in the streets, guys. Is when there's blood in the streets." And right now, today, there's some blood in the streets. Okay? Now, before I get started, I'm not a financial professional. I can't tell you what to do, how to do it, or when to do it when it comes to investing. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And today, we had a nice drop in AI stocks across the board. All right. We've got Apple down. We've got AMD down like 3.5%. Nvidia is down 5%. Tesla's down, I think, 5%. It's crazy, man. We have got some fear into the market, guys. And that is the time where I'm going to be buying. I'm stepping in on this dip. All right. So let's talk about these AI stocks I'm buying. So today, if you don't know, if you didn't watch any of my previous videos, I recently sold Palantir almost at the highs. I sold it for like $111 a share, made a nice chunk of change. And, when there's blood in the streets, you got to be ready to make a move. And honestly, I've been positioning myself in other AI plays, one of them being AMD. I started buying it at 120 share, just under $200 billion market cap. And now it's down to $170 billion market cap, even lower than that. Okay. And so I'm going to add to this position, and I'm actually starting a new position in my IRA, just a little bit. I'm just buying a couple shares. Today, I think I spent around $2,500. I bought like 10 or 20 shares of AMD. I then also added to my after-tax position a couple more shares. I just keep nibbling. $500 here, a couple $100 there. As these stocks continue to drop, okay? I've got a 10 to 20 year outlook on these names, all right? This is a gift. It's a gift from Wall Street because they don't get it. They don't understand AI whatsoever, all right? This is happening whether or not they understand it or not, all right? The same thing goes for you guys. You guys need to start paying attention to AI because it's here, all right? The other stocks I bought was Tesla. I wasn't planning on buying Tesla whatsoever. All right. It's a real, hot political topic right now. The whole Tesla, Elon Musk, things that are going on. And Tesla was all the way up to 490 a share. And look, it's at 280 a share. I got shares at 283 today. All right. I took some of my Palantir gains and I rotated them into Tesla at these under $1 trillion valuation on Tesla, guys. And AMD, I rolled some of that profits into AMD. So I bought, let's see here, 5, 6, 9 shares of Tesla. I bought 8 in the IRA and I bought 1 in my after-tax account. I had 99 shares in the after-tax account, so I just rounded it up to 100, okay? So, I'm not getting too aggressive on Tesla. I've got a big position there, but I figured, man, this is just too good to be true, this dip. Now, can it go further down? Yes. Tesla probably could go down to $200 a share. But, dude, I'm not missing this chance on this AI trade, right? I'm not planning on selling that stock for 10 to 20 years, all right? This is an opportunity. It's a wealth transfer of what's going on. And there are buyers behind these moves. I mean, I saw a move today. I saw somebody trade, I think, around 3.5 million shares in AMD, right around like $101 or something like that. These are massive moves that are happening right now in the markets. And it's due to, all these tariffs and government cuts. The market's feeling weak. The momentum has shifted. We are going to be in a downtrend, I feel, maybe for, who knows, maybe a couple months, maybe a year. I don't know. But all I know is that AI isn't going anywhere, guys. I had 2 meetings this week, all right, because I'm trying to learn AI. We had 2 meetings with AWS, all right. These guys are pushing AI like no tomorrow. They really are. Their products are amazing. I had a couple demos on this stuff, and I'm going to start building more AI features out for my company because you have to keep up. Like, you will fall behind if you are not using these tools. They are ingesting all sorts of data for all of these companies. And you know what that means? Every company is going to be using inference chips more and more and more. All right. And they're going to be buying from AMD. They're going to be buying from Nvidia. maybe ARM, maybe Intel, who knows, you know. But the bottom line is they're going to need more and more and more and more chips. All right. And that's why I'm buying. Okay. I mean, these stocks are still somewhat expensive. Don't get me wrong. Tesla's still trading pretty rich. So is AMD to a point. But the growth rates on these companies are going to be through the roof, to be honest. And I don't want to miss out on this trade. It's just getting started. You know, I talked about, if you haven't seen my previous videos on surfing the stock market, these economic waves are just getting started, and the AI wave is about to bust over the reef. It really is. And the fact that Wall Street and all these other hedge funds and whoever else is selling these stocks is absolutely insane. All right. The next 10 years, 20 years, it's just going to be massive growth for these companies. And you gotta be positioned today to take advantage of these deals. All right. The concentration of wealth, which I've talked about, is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger for these companies. Big tech, Mag 7, AMD, Nvidia, all that jazz. That's just my take on it. I could be wrong. Don't get me wrong, you know, but I don't think the horse and buggy is going to stay here. I think the horse and buggy are going bye-bye, and AI is going to take over. You know, it's going to take over all these jobs. Basically, what I'm buying today is the future. I'm buying jobs of the future, AI agents, all that stuff. You know, take a look at what these companies are offering. When I sign in to AWS, guys, all I see are AI products. That's all I see on there. You know, they're pushing all these agents and these products. I mean, just in the last 3 years, what do you think they're going to build in the next 5 years? They don't even know what they're going to build, but they're going to find out. And so that's why I'm buying into this AI trade. I mean, Nvidia, you know, I didn't add to that position. It probably should. It's down like 5.4%. But, you know, I just feel like there's more upside to Tesla and to AMD with where their valuations are. So that's where I'm buying. I'm adding to these positions. You know, let me know what you guys think. What are you guys buying out there AI-wise? Are you guys buying AMD or Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft? I haven't even looked at Microsoft and the other guys. They're probably down too. Let's see, Google. Yeah, Google's down a couple, you know, maybe 2%. You know, that's a good little dip there. But let me know in the comments below what you guys are buying. Are you positioned to do so? And if you are, let me know what you're buying. Maybe you're selling too. Who knows? You know, Palantir's even on the dip. I still think Palantir is a little expensive. I'm waiting to get back into that. Maybe if it gets down to 60, 50 bucks, something around there. I don't know if it'll get down there. I might get lucky. You know, maybe we can get this market down a bit more, and I can get back into Palantir, right? So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And yeah, anyways, you guys have a great day. Take a look at my previous video if you could. And hopefully happy hunting on those AI stocks. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.